So today I'm going to show you guys how to make an easy poison ivy eye mask. This is from my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke. So for the mask, you just want to trace the template onto some 2mm craft foam. And then you just want to cut that out with a pair of scissors or a utility knife. You can cut out the eye holes as well. And then once you've got it all cut out, just take your scissors and drill a little hole in each side of the mask. Take some stretchy string, stick that through the hole, and then just tie it off onto itself. Measure it around your head so you know how far around it has to go and cut it off there. And then just tie it off on the other side. You want it to be just a little tighter than you need it so that it'll stick to your head. Glue one leaf into the center, and you want to make cuts in the leaf so that you can fold them around and glue the edges in place on the back side there, like that. And then you'll just keep going, adding leaves. So on the bottom, I had to make cuts so they could fold up around the bottom. On the edges, make sure that it sticks out far enough to hide the string. On the top, you just leave them sticking up kind of wild. So right about from where the halfway point of the eye is, then you stop folding the leaves and you just leave the edges looking kind of wild. So you can see it on my eye here where they go up and they get wild. Right about where the corner of the eye is, that's where it starts. And then the wig will hide the string that goes around my head. And if you guys want to see how I made the rest of this costume, then check out my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke, which is currently available for pre-sale. The links are in the description box.